How to switch to a live account in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Mitrade in demo mode and want to switch to a live trading account, first of all open the Mitrade app and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the Hub button at the bottom right corner to open up this profile section. Once you're inside, go ahead and look for this Switch to Live option and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to switch to a live account, complete any required identity verification or account setup, and your live account will be available. Switching to a live account means you are using real funds, so make sure you understand the risk and have completed any required account verification before placing a trade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.